thanks for checking out this guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at a very quick turnaround in the key of E major. Now this is a bit of a bluesy lick. It's designed for beginner to sort of intermediate guitarists, but you can play it as fast and as slow as you want depending on your ability. So what we're going to do is dive in and have a look at how we play this. Let's do it. So here we go. This is the lick. And it's a fairly standard blues lick. It's like an introduction to 12-bar blues. You can play it as a turnaround or you can play it as a bit of an intro. So let's break that down. So we've got our two fingers. We're going to be using our second and third finger. So we're going to put our second finger, string number 2, fret number 3 on the D. We're going to put our third finger on fret number 4, string number 3. And we're going to slide that up 1 fret. Bit of a sliding action there. And you're plucking string number 3 then 2. 3, 2, 3. And then you're moving it down 1 fret. Same positions, we're just moving that down 1 fret. The same plucking pattern as well. And then we're going to move that down another fret. Let's slow it right down. And then we're going to hammer on our first finger, first fret on the third string. You're going to hammer that on. And again. So the next bit is so we've got open string, open E string, top E, string number 1. You've got our D, which is on the second string, third fret, third finger. Open B, which is the second string. Open G, which is the third string. And then we're playing a B7. And our B7 is first finger, first fret, 4th string, second finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, third finger is on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and our pinky finger is on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And we're just going to play from string number 5 down. So let's play that at normal speed. Let's slow it right down. And then that can take us into our 12 bar. So there you have it, a very, very simple turnaround in the key of E major. If you have any comments, questions, anything like that, please use the comments box below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I shall see you again very soon. Bye-bye.